Today we're going to be taking a quick look at some of the best deals that are available for Black Friday for the Sportwagen and Alltrack. Hey there, welcome to the Dad Wagon, and Thanksgiving is just a couple days away, which means the biggest sale days of the year are just a few days away. But most retailers have begun their sales early, as has been the case for the last couple of years. So I wanted to go through all the parts that I have installed on my Sportwagon, and I checked them for which ones have the best current deals out there. And I wanted to bring some of those to you to see if they might be helpful. I see other types of channels do this, like all the camera stuff I watch and electronics. I don't see a lot of people do this in the car community, so I figured I'd go through it and look at it for Alltracks and Sportwagons. All the links are down in the description below if you're interested in buying anything, and if you use those links, they may end up helping the channel because some of them are affiliate links. So let's get started right now. So the first item is one of the first installs that I ever did on this channel, which was my integrated engineering catted downpipe. This right here is on sale. It's not a huge deal right now, but it's not bad. 15% off, taking off over $100 on it, so it's $722 right now. This is the catted version, and specifically for 4Motion or all-wheel drive vehicles and QB platform. So Sportwagons, Alltracks. Big install, somewhat difficult to do. Got to lift the car all the way up, but totally worth it, especially if you're planning on going with a bigger turbo at some point on your car. The next item that's on the Sportwagen that's seeing a pretty decent discount right now is the Unitronic Intercooler. It's currently $615.99 on ECS tuning. It's about a 20% discount or $150 off right now. The main reason you'd look at installing one of these is if you're planning on going with a bigger turbo and doing any sort of stage 2 plus tune on your vehicle. It's almost a requirement to have a larger, better cooling intercooler for your ride. One of my favorite upgrades to my Sportwagen is my integrated engineering intake. It's currently on sale for $340, which is normally $399 or $400. So it's about a 15% discount. Not super steep. Honestly, none of these deals that we're seeing right now, and I think that's fairly typical in the car world, are more than 20% off right now, but this is a pretty decent deal. You can get the carbon fiber lid for this, adds quite a bit. I do not have that on my ride, but I loved installing this. I love having this on my car every day. It makes it sound so much better. Up next, we have the adjustable rear sway bar from Whiteline. This is the one I use on my vehicle. It's currently $226. It's a 15% discount from what it normally is. It's a sway bar. There's not really much else to say. It does have two settings that you can choose from. I use the Moog Endlinks, which we actually will get to on this list here, to connect this to my ride. Now, this is the only item on the list that's not currently installed on my Sportwagen or has never been. I do have a rear stress bar or strut bar. It's just not this one. This is the ECS branded or made strut bar, and this one comes with a front and rear tunnel brace kit as well. I wanted to feature it because it's such a huge discount. It's $446 currently, and it's normally $824, so about 46% discount. Again, I can't vouch for this one, but it does seem like a pretty steep discount that I didn't want to pass up. Now to a few Amazon listings that I've purchased and used, and some of them I've purchased multiple times, such as these Moog Endlinks. These are phenomenal and super affordable and super, trustworthy as far as parts go. Now, they are not adjustable, but they are great, and a lot of the community uses these. They're 56% off right now, normally $50 a piece. They're currently $22. And then onto just two tool parts, or tools that I use on a regular basis that you will need if you're working on your car, and if you don't have them already, pick them up. This is the socket set of Torx bits. They're currently 16% off, or about $15. Are they the best ones that you can possibly buy? Definitely not. Do they get the job done, and have they done every project on my car? Yes. And finally, another piece of kit that you would need will be the triple square splines. This is the set that I have and use. Again, it's about 15% off. The brand's called Nyko, and this is one of the kits I buy. I buy them because I like their cases that they come in. I typically, because I don't travel with them, I keep them in my toolbox. I literally cut off the top with a razor blade, but keep the bottom and organize them all in my tool chest. So those are just a few of the deals that I've found out there, and the ones that I could really vouch for and tell you to maybe consider buying, since I use them on my car every day. Let me know if this was helpful or something that was interesting to you. Like I said, I see other channels do this all the time, and I figured I'd give it a shot. So stay tuned. We'll have another video coming to celebrate a big milestone that we just accomplished here on the channel. So we'll see you soon.